What is the approximate number of plant species that are known? A. 1.2 million. B. 1.7 - 1.8 million. C. 2.5 - 3.14 million. D. 300,000. The correct answer is D. About 300,000 plant species are known. Which of the following statements is true about biodiversity? A. Biodiversity increases from the equator to the poles. B. There are about 25,000 species of microorganisms. C. Conventional taxonomic methods are equally suitable for higher plants and microorganisms. D. The global share of plants and microorganisms in biodiversity is about 18%. The correct answer is A. Species diversity, in general, increases from the poles to the equator. Tropical latitudes have more species than temperate latitudes. What is the correct way to write the scientific name of a species using binomial nomenclature? A. Both genus and species are printed in italics. B. The first letter of the genus is capitalized. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Genus and species are always the same name. The correct answer is C. In binomial nomenclature, both the genus and species names are italicized, and the first letter of the genus name is capitalized. For example, the scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens tarankan. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using common names for species? A. One common name may apply universally. B. One species may have several common names. C. The same common name may be applied to two species. D. Both B and C are correct. The correct answer is D. Using common names can be confusing because one species may have several common names, and the same common name may be applied to two different species. Which of the following taxonomic ranks represents the largest group of organisms? A. Genus. B. Family. C. Order. D. Kingdom. The correct answer is D. The taxonomic rank Kingdom Tarankan represents the largest group of organisms, followed by phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. The scientific study of diversity of organisms and their evolutionary relationships is called ___________. A. Taxonomy. B. Systematics. C. Morphology. D. Nomenclature. The correct answer is B. Tarankan. Systematics. Tarankan is the study of the diversity of organisms and their evolutionary relationships. It includes taxonomy, which is the science of naming, describing, and classifying organisms. The processes that are not systematics are ____________. A. Identification. B. Classification. C. Nomenclature. D. Characterization. The correct answer is D. Characterization is not a process of systematics. It is a process of describing the characteristics of an organism. Who wrote Species Plantarum and provided a basis for classification of plants? A. Aristotle. B. Theophrastus. C. Carolus Linnaeus. D. Robert Hooke. The correct answer is C. Carolus Linnaeus wrote Species Plantarum and provided a basis for the classification of plants. Which of the following taxa covers the least number of organisms? A. Class. B. Genus. C. Phylum. D. Order. The correct answer is B. Tarankan. Genus Tarankan covers the least number of organisms as it is just above the species level. Linnaeus' system of classification was based on _________________. A. Anatomical characters. B. Cytology. C. Morphology. D. Embryology. The correct answer is C. Linnean system of classification was based on morphological characters and hence it was an artificial system of classification. Which of the following is an odd category? A. Species. B. Genus. C. Phylum. D. Subfamily. The correct answer is D. Subfamily is an odd category. The correct order of hierarchy is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. The correct sequence of taxa is A. Class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, species. B. Phylum, order, class, tribe, family, genus, species. C. Phylum, tribe, class, order, family, genus, species. D. Class, order, tribe, phylum, family, genus, species. The correct answer is A. The correct sequence of taxa is class, phylum, tribe, order, family, genus, species, Tarankan. When two organisms are in the same class but not in the same they have the same ancestor. A. Order. B. Genus. C. Species. D. Family. The correct answer is A. When two organisms are in the same class Tarankan but not in the same order Tarankan, they have the same ancestor. This is because class has a higher taxonomic rank than order. Genus has more characters in common in comparison to species of genera. A. Other or related. B. Same. C. Different. D. Aggregate and unrelated. The correct answer is A. Tarankan genus Tarankan has more characters in common in comparison to species of other or related genera Tarankan. The classification of organisms into hierarchical groups is called A. Taxonomy. B. Phylogeny. C. Systematics. D. Cladistics. The correct answer is A. Tarankan taxonomy. Tarankan is the science of classification of organisms into hierarchical groups. What is the fundamental goal of biological classification? A. To explain the origin of living organisms. B. To trace the evolution of living organisms. C. To facilitate identification of unknown organisms. D. To create a hierarchical system of classification. The correct answer is C. The practical purpose of classification of living organisms is to facilitate identification of unknown organisms Tarankan. A group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities is called A. Species. B. Population. C. Community. D. Ecosystem. The correct answer is A. A Tarankan species. Tarankan is a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities that can breed among themselves and produce fertile offsprings. Which of the following statements about classification systems is incorrect? A. Linnaeus system of classification is an artificial system. B. Natural classification systems were developed based on natural affinities among organisms. C. Phylogenetic classification is based on evolutionary relationships. D. Chemotaxonomy is not based on chemical constituents of plants. The correct answer is D. Tarankan chemotaxonomy is based on the chemical constituents of plants Tarankan. Organisms of which of the following phyla exhibit true segmentation? A. Annelida. B. Arthropoda. C. Mollusca. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Organisms of both Annelida Tarankan and Tarankan Arthropoda Tarankan exhibit true segmentation. Segmentation refers to the division of the body into a series of repetitive segments. In which of the following is the largest number of species found? A. genus. B. Family. C. Class. D. Order. The correct answer is C. The largest number of species are found in class Tarankan. It is the third level of classification, above order and below phylum. What is the correct sequence of taxonomic categories? A. Division, class, family, tribe, order, genus, species. B. Species, genus, order, phylum. C. Species, genus, order, phylum. D. Phylum, species, class, order. The correct answer is C. The correct sequence of taxonomic categories is species, genus, order, phylum, Tarankan. Two plants can be conclusively said to belong to the same species if they A. Can reproduce freely with each other and form seeds. B. Have more than 90% similar genes. C. Look similar and possess identical secondary metabolites. D. Have same number of chromosomes. The correct answer is A. Two plants can be conclusively said to belong to the same species if they can reproduce freely with each other and form seeds. Tarankan. The taxonomic unit, phylum, in the classification of animals is equivalent to which hierarchical level in classification of plants? A. Class. B. Order. C. Division. D. Family. The correct answer is C. The taxonomic unit, phylum, in the classification of animals is equivalent to division. Tarankan in the classification of plants. Both are taxonomic ranks that group together related classes of organisms. Botanical gardens and zoological parks have collection of endemic living species only. A. Ex situ. B. In situ. C. Endangered. D. Rare. The correct answer is A. Botanical gardens and zoological parks have ex situ collection of endemic living species only. Ex situ conservation is the conservation of species outside their natural habitat. What is the primary function of a herbarium? A. To preserve live plants. B. To study plant diversity. C. To cultivate rare plants. D. To provide recreational space. The correct answer is B. A herbarium is a collection of preserved plant specimens used for scientific study, particularly to study plant diversity. Tarankan. Which of the following taxonomic aids is used for the identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities? A. Flora. B. Keys. C. Monographs. D. Manuals. The correct answer is B. Tarankan keys. Tarankan are taxonomic aids used for the identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. Which group of Plantae consist of plants that do not produce seeds? A. Cryptogamy. B. Phanerogamy. C. Angiosperms. D. Gymnosperms. The correct answer is A. Tarankan cryptogamy consist of seedless plants. They reproduce through spores. Examples of cryptogams include algae, mosses, and ferns. Phanerogamy consist of seed-bearing plants, including gymnosperms and angiosperms. Which of the following is an example of a pteridophyte? A. Funaria. B. Marchontia. C. Adiantum. D. Spirogyra. The correct answer is C. Tarankan adiantum is an example of a Tarankan pteridophyte. Tarankan. Pteridophytes are vascular plants that reproduce via spores. Funaria and Marchontia are bryophytes, and Spirogyra is an alga. What is the main plant body of bryophytes? A. Sporophyte. B. Gametophyte. C. Prothallus. D. Thallus. The correct answer is B. The main plant body of bryophytes Tarankan is Tarankan gametophyte. Tarankan. It is a haploid stage that produces gametes. The sporophyte is a diploid stage that develops from the zygote and produces spores. What is the dominant phase in the life cycle of bryophytes? A. Gametophyte. B. Sporophyte. C. Protonema. D. Satyr. The correct answer is A. The dominant phase in the life cycle of bryophytes is gametophyte tarankan. It is the photosynthetic and independent stage of the life cycle. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of bryophytes? A. Presence of vascular tissues. B. Dominant gametophyte generation. C. Absence of true roots, stems, and leaves. D. Production of flagellated male gametes. The correct answer is A. Presence of vascular tissues is not a characteristic feature of bryophytes. They are non-vascular plants. They lack the specialized tissues xylem and phloem, which are responsible for the transport of water and nutrients in vascular plants. Which of the following groups of algae does not belong to the same category? A. Polysiphonia, Fucus, Chlamydomonas. B. Porphyra, Ectocarpus, Ulathrix. C. Chara, Fucus, Polysiphonia. D. Sargassum, Laminaria, Gracilaria. The correct answer is A. Tarankan Polysiphonia, Fucus, Chlamydomonas tarankan do not belong to the same category. Polysiphonia and Fucus are red algae, while Chlamydomonas is a green alga. Which of the following statements is correct about algae? A. Algae are useful to man in a variety of ways. B. Algae are used to grow microbes in preparations of food. C. Many species are statement of marine algae used as food. D. All of these. The correct answer is A. Algae are useful to man in a variety of ways tarankan. In which class of algae are non-flagellated gametes present? A. Chlorophyceae. B. Phaeophyceae. C. Rhodophyceae. D. Cyanophyceae. The correct answer is C. Tarankan Rhodophyceae tarankan, red algae, have non-flagellated gametes. Their male gametes are called spermatia. Which of the following algae shows anisogamous type of sexual reproduction? A. Ulathrix. B. Spirogyra. C. Chlamydomonas. D. Volvox. The correct answer is C. Tarankan Chlamydomonas tarankan shows anisogamous type of sexual reproduction. Anisogamy is the fusion of gametes that are dissimilar in size. Agar is commercially obtained from __________. A. Freshwater algae. B. Marine algae. C. Terrestrial algae. D. Amphibians. The correct answer is B. Tarankan agar tarankan is commercially obtained from marine algae tarankan, specifically red algae like Gelidum and tarankan Gracilaria tarankan. Which of the following statements is not a characteristic feature of floridine starch? A. It is similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. B. It is the reserve food material of red algae. C. Both spores and gametes are non-motile. D. They have complex body organization. The correct answer is C. The statement that both spores and gametes are non-motile is not a characteristic feature of floridine starch. Floridine starch is a type of storage carbohydrate found in red algae. It is similar in structure to amylopectin and glycogen. Red algae have complex body organization. However, the motility of spores and gametes varies depending on the species of red algae. Which of the following is a green algae that is used as a food supplement by space travelers? A. Ulathrix. B. Chlorella. C. Spirogyra. D. Fucus. The correct answer is B. Tarankan chlorella. Tarankan is a green alga that is used as a food supplement by space travelers. It is a rich source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Mannitol and Laminarum are reserve food in ____________. A. Green algae. B. Red algae. C. Blue-green algae. D. Brown algae. The correct answer is D. Tarankan, mannitol, tarankan, and tarankan laminarum are reserve food in brown algae tarankan. What is the shape of the chloroplast in zygnema? A. Star-shaped. B. Spiral. C. Cup-shaped. D. Discoid. The correct answer is A. The tarankan chloroplast tarankan in tarankan zygnema tarankan is star-shaped tarankan. Which of the following is a characteristic of the thallus-like plant body of bryophytes? A. Absence of vascular strands. B. Filamentous nature. C. Well-differentiated nature. D. Root, autotrophic plant body into stem, leaf and root. The correct answer is A. Absence of vascular strands as a characteristic of the thallus-like plant body of bryophytes. Bryophytes lack true vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, which are responsible for the transport of water and nutrients in vascular plants. Why are bryophytes called amphibians of the plant kingdom? A. They need water for sexual reproduction. B. The sporophyte is dominant, free-living gametophyte. C. Sporophyte is multicellular to form a young gametophyte. D. Some cells of the sporophyte undergo meiosis to produce haploid spores. The correct answer is A. Bryophytes are called amphibians of the plant kingdom because they need water for sexual reproduction tarankan. Their flagellated male gametes, anthrazoids, require water to swim to the female gametes, archegonia. Which one of the following is a moss? A. Marchiontia. B. Funaria. C. Polytrichum. D. Sphagnum. The correct answer is B. Tarankan funaria is a tarankan moss tarankan. Marchiontia is a liverwort. Polytrichum and sphagnum are also mosses, but funaria is a more common example. In mosses, asexual reproduction occurs by ____________. A. Fragmentation and budding in the secondary protonema. B. Fragmentation and spores formation. C. Budding only. D. Mullet flagellate spores formation. The correct answer is A. In mosses, asexual reproduction occurs by fragmentation and budding in the secondary protonema tarankan. The protonema is a filamentous stage in the life cycle of a moss. When the protonema fragments, each fragment can grow into a new moss plant. The predominant stage of the life cycle of a moss is the ____________. A. Gametophyte which produces spores. B. Sporophyte which is parasitic on the gametophyte. C. Gametophyte which produces gametes. D. Sporophyte which arises from a zygote. The correct answer is C. The predominant stage of the life cycle of a moss is the gametophyte which produces gametes tarankan. The gametophyte is the haploid, photosynthetic, and independent stage of the life cycle. Which of the following is not true about bryophytes? A. They possess chloroplast. B. They are thalloid. C. They contain archegonia. D. They are vascular. The correct answer is D. Bryophytes are not vascular tarankan. They lack the specialized tissues xylem and phloem, which are responsible for the transport of water and nutrients in vascular plants. All other options are true about bryophytes. The plant body of liverworts is ____________. A. Thalloid. B. Differentiated into stem, root and leaves. C. Foliose. D. Fossilized. The correct answer is A. The plant body of liverworts is Tarankan thalloid Tarankan, meaning it is flattened and lacks true roots, stems, and leaves. The anthrazoids in bryophytes produce biflagellate gametes, anthrazoids, in ___________. A. Gametes ovary. B. Antheridium carpogonium. C. Archegonium, Archegoniophore. D. Antheridium. The correct answer is D. The anthrazoids in bryophytes produce biflagellate gametes, anthrazoids, in Tarankan Antheridium. In bryophytes, the gametophytic generation begins from the formation of ________________. A. Spores in capsule. B. New gametophyte. C. Axial gametophyte. D. Protonema. The correct answer is D. In bryophytes, the gametophytic generation begins from the formation of Protonema tarankan. The sporophyte in liverworts is _____________. A. Diploid and is found in Pteridophytes. B. Haploid and is found in mosses. C. Diploid and is found in liverworts. D. Haploid and is found in Pteridophytes. The correct answer is C. The sporophyte in liverworts is diploid and is found in liverworts tarankan. It is the diploid, spore-producing generation that develops from the zygote. Sphagnum is used as a packing material for transporting living material because of its ____________. A. High water retaining capacity. B. Acidic nature as it does not undergo decay. C. Creeping nature. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Tarankan sphagnum tarankan is used as a packing material for transporting living material because of its high water retaining capacity and its acidic nature tarankan, which prevents decay. Sphagnum is a type of moss that is known for its ability to absorb and retain water. Which of the following is not an economic or ecological importance of bryophytes? A. After lichens, they play an important role in plant succession. B. They are of great ecological importance. C. They are used in the formation of peat. D. An anti-cancer drug Taxol is obtained from them. The correct answer is D. An anti-cancer drug Taxol is not obtained from Bryophytes tarankan. Taxol is obtained from the bark of the Pacific yew tree, Taxus brevifolia, which is a gymnosperm. All other options are true about the economic or ecological importance of bryophytes.